Well, it's Jason. Today we're playing Watch Dogs. And for a tip. Actually, this is really good. Seriously. We almost made call a signal. Turn off captain. Great. I barely can see where the first CTOS box is. Oh, I meant to grab that. Oh my god! What the heck? I'm just unlocking stuff. I side unlocked that. I guess we could follow the white line into the back here. There it is! Up there. Alright, so we're gonna grab this left. Yeah, we have to move that left down. Move that left down. Unlocked. Yeah, I'd rather not get that. Oh my god, there was a Slender Man graffiti. That was pretty simple. Surprised no one like freaked out. I'm gonna put protectors up. In case a bullet maybe goes down. Ow! I just hit the ground. Oh, okay, I just bursted. Alright. That's the best I've got. There we go. Showing you some unlocked sequences. In case any of you are confused on this gameplay or anything like that. Could do that, but how do we unlock this? There we go.
What the hell is this?
I don't want to grab a camera. Damien?
Damien Bruce. What the hell is he doing?
I hope you don't mind the games. Wanted to see if you lost your edge. We need to talk. You'll want to be quick. Breaking in like you did tripped an alarm. This isn't what I had planned for us. But we're about to be interrupted. Come find me. I'll pick someplace nice.
Let me harass my sister. We haven't spoken since.
run. You better run, run.
Looks like there's a new target for all you hitters out there. Drop what you're doing and get on it.
Alright, I got a sniper too, bitch. These fuckers out of my way. No. Where's my, Jason? Jason, where is... Drop dead, bitch. All we got left is that fucking...
He's right there. Take him. Don't let him get away.
Oh my god. Fixers! Like me? They're big. Hello. You better run.
Where? Anyone see him? See anyone? Anybody watch the target?
Get the fuck on the bike and run. Run out. Oh my god, they're... I've got enemies all over this state. Ain't no way I'm getting away. The guy shot me.
Anyone got anything? Nothing on our end.
Boom. That was easy, Damien.
Alright, Damien. Let's talk.
Guess he wants to meet there. He ain't that far. He picked some place nice where I could put a bullet through his head.
Clever boy.
Alright, drunk.
You and that punk called my sister. Why am I here, Damien? You're also great.
My God. Don't you ever loosen up? I want my partner back.
You in the field till you man his work. May I have you? We both want the same things. Answers. Who attacked us? And I
The Murloc.
Murloc motherfuckers. We bailed on a perfectly good scheme. We found a refuge to buy. 6-year-old girl. My niece died because you went too far.
Oh, you're adorable. Blaming your family problems on me? Damien crossed the line and made the Batman angry. What about me?
What about you? You're not the only one suffering. They made me crippled. Took everything from me. You see, that's what binds us together. You got nothing I need. There was another hacker. There was a second hacker. And I know how to find him. And let me get in it. You can't do it. You need me. The big problem is, I don't need you. Don't walk away.
Oh, shoot. I'm on the way. Thanks for my tip. It's got a leg brace and everything.
I used to look up to Damien. Taught me how to ferret out weak code and exploit it. And I taught him how to do the same without a computer. People can be more vulnerable than their systems. We were a strong team. After Lena, I was done with him. Didn't waste time thinking about him. Now he's creeping back in. I need to know what he's got on him a lot.
Holy crap! Alright, so traffic lights, I already got that. I already got the gates and garages. No, I want to stay focused. Disable reinforcement calls. Transformers. I'll get Transformers last. Because I don't know what it does. Extra battery slot 2. ATM hack boost. I like the ones that target one people, so. Oh, Transformers that put the blackouts. That's what they are? They cause blackouts? What? I guess Transformers and Jam Hum. Like Claire gave me. Jam Hum's just frag grenade, IED, and then proxy. Why'd I hit Y? Alright, where am I going? Halfway across the state! In the next episode. Maybe? Oh no, I'm gonna have data quickly. No, I'm not going to the next episode. I'm doing this now. It feels like I forgot something. I was like partying last night. It was like at Friendly's or something. I felt like really sick after I ate too much of their cheese things. Cheese quesadillas. on the kids menu. The kids menu is 12 and under. 12 and under? Really? I'm 12 and yet I still curse and all that. And they don't give me a big menu. They give me the littlest kids menu. I don't like kids menus. I like to get the menus that mean something. Like have bigger choices. I had to get a cheese quesadilla. Luckily it came with like 8. It came with like 8 and 2 servings of. What were you just having? Who the heck just hit that blocker? Okay, wait, remember. Right. Remember what? Oh.
No one keeps leaving you flowers.
No. That girl has a lot of friends.
True that. Hey! What happened? Did I shoot him?
This is about letting go.
I know.
We've all suffered a horrible nightmare, but
I mean, it's not like she moved on.
stop trying to fix it.
She still has friends.
Aiden, I know what you're doing. I know you're chasing after the people who did this.
Yeah.
When you do that, you put us all in danger again.
You are not in danger. Because I protect you.
Do you hear yourself? Aiden, why can't you stop?
Because I need to know.
Need to know what?
You are my brother, and I love you. But Jackson is my world, and I will keep you away in a second before I let him get hurt. Promise me you will stop. You can't save Lena.
Yes, I can. I can wish her down.
I killed her.
No, you didn't.
I got her.
I don't blame you. But promise me you will stop. We need this as a family.
I promise.
Where was I walking to? I was like,
Maybe she's right. Because
I guess I
can't
would.
change that. How do I just walk away?
You've got a problem. Survivor from the stadium. That guy talks some idea.
Survivor? How did that happen?
I'm guessing he didn't die. Now, relax. I got a plan. Meet me at Coleman Heights on the rooftop.
why? What are you doing? What is he doing, guys? Well, we're gonna find out. Oh! I can go. I'm gonna go to the pawn shop and then fast trap. Oh, that's what I had to do, guys. Here's what I had to do. All right, I remember that. forgot to answer your questions. See, the thing is, oh shit, fucking bitch. Oh, you did not.
911, please state your emergency. Help! He's firing a gun!
No, I'm not. You fuck. Ah! Now I've got the cops after me. I don't want the cops after me until I kill myself. I better get some crafting component. Next episode, guys. See ya! I guess I missed the questions. But I'll give it a few days. I'll do like one more episode and then I'll wait. And then if you have anything to say, like you want me to answer, just put it in the comments. I'll check the comments every episode I got. And then I'll do it in like future videos. Alright, see ya!